Good morning, guys. Last time we have seen the trailer haven't been painted. Today we are seeing the same type of trailer has been painted, but without the tire mounted. Okay, at the front we were seeing the two different air braking connectors at one side. This one is in the different side. One is over there, another is at there. This is the 7-pin socket. If you open it, you can see there's 7 pin over there to connecting different lines. In the front, we have the indicator and our logo. Also, we can see we have put something to prevent the line over there. And also, you can see the kingpin welding at here. Okay? And from there, you can see there is a U shape in the gooseneck. Here is the spare tire carrier, and that's our logo and reflecting tapes. Here's the gooseneck. At the bottom, we can see to the kingpin over there, and the kingpin plate. That's the kingpin plate. At the last trailer we were saying it does not include any landing gear. It has light in the left and right. Okay, we have a 2 box here. You can put 2 inside, and another 2 box over there. It's pretty heavy, but pretty big. You can see the space is quite big. Let me put my fitting. See? It's very big. Okay. And here is the checked steel floor deck and side beam. Remember this before the painting? Now you can see the difference after the painting and before the painting. This one we have those steel bars to give the fractions of the big machinery wheel. So when the big machinery goes from the rear ramp to the top, it will be easier and have more fraction. Then go to the top. Those 2 plates gonna stop the big machinery, big equipment. Okay, here we can see we have put some plastic to prevent the water from the outside, and there is the braking line we have installed. You can see the braking line actually hiding under the beams. We can check it later. Let me go inside. Here we have another indicator to show the driver how to adjust the axle space, because the axle space is quite important. So once you have the kingpin here, and you need to measure the distance from the kingpin to here or here or here, or from here or here, here. As long as you measure the left side this place, please measure the same side of this place. If A equals B, which means that this is a triangle with equal length in the left and right side, so the first axle is okay. Then you need to measure D and C. If D and C is the same, it means this 2 axle is fine, and E and F. So you need to adjust it every 5,000 kilometers or every 6 months. And the tolerance we have already marked it up. So you need to make sure the tolerance is under this. Okay, let's go inside. Now we are inside of the trailer. You can see over there we have a braking chamber. So that's a braking chamber from there to here, and then goes to the hole like here. And then this is the electricity line, goes to here. So here we have the same braking line like this one. So this is how it looks inside. Oops. See? All right, then if we keep going, we can see the rear ramps. We were seeing here is the safety hole we were talking about, but the chain has been removed. Here is the pin and the spring, the safety pin we were talking about. See, you can open this and you can push down to make sure it won't go off. This is the B-type pin. We use it to lock the hole here. So as long as you have hole here, you can put a B-type pin over there. All right. I think that would be everything for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and see you guys later. If you like our video, please subscribe or click the like button at the bottom. See you guys next time. Bye bye.